Unsightly Opinions. If you're new, my name's Tamara, this is Robbie, and today I'm gonna have Robbie describe a makeup look to me. In case you're new, I'm blind. I can't see what I look like in the mirror. I can't tell what color makeup is. I have never actually had anybody sit down and describe a complex makeup look. So you have picked something. I have no idea what you've picked. Can you tell us what the title of the video we're following along with is?
Dotted ombre half cut crease with ombre lips makeup tutorial. And that one is by Katie Michaelis. Michael is...
Complicated. Okay. Well, let's jump in. What do you got?
So you prime your lids with base. Okay.
Does she have foundation on or no?
You know, I don't know these things.
Okay, well we're gonna find out. We may just get an eye makeup look with no foundation, which is gonna be awful.
Let's try and find like a turquoise-y color.
Wait,
so...
okay, I'm gonna just put foundation around my eyes just because if she's already jumping into eye color, uh-oh, it broke. Okay, I'm just gonna put on some foundation just to be safe because I feel like this seems dangerous. Starting straight in with an eye.
I don't know the meaning of the word foundation.
Shoot, I just got foundation in my eye. Trying to go fast.
I imagine that's not part of the look.
No, I'm sure it's not. It kind of stings.
I finished my foundation and blended everything out.
Alright, what's first?
And here, you people out there who aren't even watching it, judging me, yeah, it's gonna have to be this one.
And show me the color? So what color is she using and what's the closest thing we have?
It's kind of like an aquamarine.
Okay, and where are we putting it?
And yeah, if you'll just put that along the fleshy part of your orbital.
Here?
Yeah.
Like up here?
Yeah.
Okay, and how far across do I go?
Oh boy, no, way too far.
Oh no!
Supposed to go about halfway across.
I did go about halfway across.
You went about 3/4 of the way across. Okay, let's go with that.
No! What's wrong with it?
I don't know, I'm just doing the best I can. I don't know how this works.
Is it on thick enough?
Yes. Yes.
Is it even on both sides?
No. It's gone a little bit too far on the right side, but we're going to be putting blue there next, so...
Okay, so...
Let's go with the blue on the opposite side, right here.
This one? Okay. And where am I putting that?
Center area of the lid.
So, fleshy part? Not
Yes,
okay.
I would say, yes, the fleshy part again.
Up here, not the lid. Okay.
Correct.
My brush, what's next?
Let's go purple. So, this top, just one above the one you were at.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, where am I going with purple?
Looks like it's going to be the corner of the fleshy part of the eye socket.
Above the lid?
Yeah.
And I'm going right out to the corner, like the corner of my eye, like out
right.
here.
Yep. Oh boy, why are you going so medial? I said the corner. This is gonna be great. Well, I don't know if you can go back now.
Well,
So let's just go forward. Yeah, you gotta even it out on the left side now.
So
and you need more on both sides, quite honestly.
Okay.
And try and make it, let's say, fade off towards the edges.
I don't know how to do that. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Oh, this is gonna be great. Seems that there was meant to be a darker purple, but I think I chose the darkest one.
Oh.
So we're going to go a completely different way now.
Oh, good.
Robbie chose a very dark gray purple, which made me look like I had a black eye.
Like, are we blending onto the lid, or are we just blending?
Oh, I made a terrible mistake.
Oh.
Okay, boy. The purple that we added is really not working.
Okay, I just lightened it.
To try and fix it, we went back in with some fuchsia pink and some more dark purple and blended those together.
It's cream next.
Did she say what the cream was?
Concealer.
Put some.
Dip it in and then you just draw your eye socket just above the eyelid. Let me see what you're doing. No. Oh, okay, no wait, maybe she is getting around to doing it that way.
I painted my entire lid with concealer.
Okay, it looks like she sort of blended in the purple with the whatever you just put on your face. So they're doing with a turquoise shimmer. We don't seem to have that, but we do have something pretty similar.
Oh.
Or maybe we could just go with the same one that we've already used. It looks basically the same color.
Why don't we go with the one we've already used and we put a silver shimmer over top of it?
Great. And you're just gonna paint everywhere that you painted that
With turquoise?
white goo. Yeah. Great. Now do it with the blue and then do it with the purple.
I painted turquoise, then blue, then purple across my lid and covered it in a silver shimmer.
So now we are going to use makeup cleaner to remove the fallout, of which there is a whole hell of a lot in your case.
I believe it.
Literally everything south of your top eyelid should be going. Hydro liner, does this word mean anything to you?
I don't know what that is.
Okay, what's white? This stuff?
That's
It's white.
concealer.
She's drawing a line around her eyeball again. So if wrinkles were white, that's what she's doing. She's adding a white wrinkle onto her eye.
Like in the crease?
Yes.
Why?
Concealer?
Alrighty, let's do it. This is gonna end in tears.
Okay, this is not helping.
I know! I told you it wasn't gonna work. You keep telling me to improvise. Have I ruined it?
Yeah, kinda. You gonna press on?
You know what? I'm gonna do what I think I should be doing, which is spray some setting spray, wipe my lining brush in it.
Is this stuff supposed to be shaken before being used?
It can be.
It looks like it's incredibly separated.
Then I'm gonna do it on the other side, and it's gonna give you a line.
No, I don't think you understand. Like, I'm seeing a thick white paste on the bottom and transparent water on the top. That's kind of working, yeah. You need to make it thicker, but yeah, that's the idea.
I tried to fix both sides with some white eyeshadow to create the crease.
Alright, it's time to put on your false eyelashes.
I don't own any false eyelashes.
Okay, well,
My
we
eyelashes
improvise.
are 50 inches long by themselves.
Well,
Instead of falsies, I put on a very thick coat of mascara.
I tried to go super thick just because I don't have falsies.
primer time. She's putting, it looks like a purple primer on her face.
I can't use a purple primer because it'll make my skin look purple. Actually, albino problems, seriously, I can't wear certain types of makeup or certain primers because it will literally show through on my skin and it will not do what it's supposed to do. Like green is supposed to get rid of redness and yellow is supposed to get rid of purple and purple's supposed to get rid of, I don't know, orange.
I did the next part decently well, so it wasn't very funny. After I put on the primer, I got concealer on, blended it out, then I put on contour, blush, and highlighter.
Do we really want to put more on?
She's getting it underneath her eyes now.
I never understood putting makeup underneath your eyes. Seems like a lot. Okay. So, want purple? Which one was purple again?
Pink first.
Pink. Okay.
Using a brush that was much too large, Robbie instructed me to blend out to the sides with pink, then purple, and then come across the bottom with blue and turquoise.
Eyeliner next.
Oh. This is where it all goes terribly wrong. Okay. I'm gonna, if she hasn't done her eyebrows, I'm gonna do my eyebrows.
Okay, no, she did do her brows. She didn't show any of the process of it. It just went from one scene to the next and her eyebrows were done.
Oh, good. They're clean now. What?
You're just gonna ruin this look. Cleaning up your eyebrows now.
I put on my eyebrows with white eyeliner pencil.
Oh, my eyes are stinging because they're watering. because I've been laughing too much. I'm getting all of the makeup in my eyes.
I put eyeliner on my top lid and then did my waterline.
Like doing her Cupid's bow.
Yep.
Hey, you're making so much noise. Okay, so she's got her lipstick on. Is she just like following the shape of her lips, or is she overdrawing? Is she underdrawing?
Seems like she's overdrawing, maybe.
Okay. You know why I don't like this lipstick? It smells exactly like that gross makeup we used for Ursula.
Oh,
That's why I don't like it.
bad memories.
So what did she do after she puts on her
She
lipstick?
puts a shade of pink on the inside of her lips.
Hey, you know what? Why don't we do that? Grab
Great.
some
Great!
pink. Well, we'll do that.
Is that pink?
I don't know.
It is pink. It's not the right kind of pink, but at this point, it's like, whatever.
Did I do it? Are we done?
Well, she goes on to paint dots on her face, but
I don't think I want to paint dots on my face.
we don't have the means for that, let's be honest.
Yeah. No, we don't.
Hydro liner.
I don't even know what that is. I'm gonna have to do some research.
Goddamn kids and your newfangled makeups.
I think this was an exercise in disaster. How did I do?
You make a really interesting carnival attraction.
Oh, good. That's what I was hoping for. Carnival attraction.
Mommy, I want to go see the space lady.
This is gonna be our final look for today. We had to make do with what I had, which was probably not what she had at all. I had a lot of fun though, but if I want to actually try a makeup look, I may get somebody who actually wears makeup from time to time.
Maybe we'll get somebody who's done a tutorial with the materials that you have, or
You know, that'd be nice.
Mhm.
That would
And
certainly
we wouldn't
help.
get down to the wire and be like, oh, there's this dots of hydro liner and
I suppose I shouldn't have just told you, pick a video.
all makeup is the same, right?
Anyways, that'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming and spending an evening with me. I did have fun.
It was kind of fun.
Disastrous or not, it was funny. You'll have to tell me what you think of this beautiful look in the comments down below. Did I win? Did I fail? Did I space clown? You'll have to let me know where I fit on that spectrum. If you want to keep up to date with what's going on in my daily life, there's my social media accounts linked down below. Please subscribe, it really helps me out. Hit those bells and buttons so you can stay up to date when I release new content. And I have an accessible Twitch stream now only on Sunday nights. 7:30 Mountain Standard Time. We had to have a little slight change in schedule there. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.